Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. So in this particular video, we're going to talk about arithmetic operators in Python. So there are n number of arithmetic operators in Python. Let's see one by one. So first one gonna be addition operator. So this will be denoted by symbol plus. So suppose you are having two variables, a is having value 5 and b is having value 6. Let's see what is addition of variables a plus b. Let's print it. A, then arithmetic operator, and then b. This is a addition arithmetic operator, so it will print the value of a plus b. Here you can see it is printing value of a plus b as 11. Let's move to the second operator. Second operator gonna be subtraction operator. It will be denoted by dash, or you can say minus symbol. Let's, instead of this plus, let's print a minus b. So this should subtract 6 from 5 and it should give result as a -1. Here you can see we are getting the correct output. Let's see the third arithmetic operator in Python. That will be the multiplication. So multiplication operator denoted by star. So let's try multiplication operator in Python. It should print 5 into 6. 5 into 6 nothing but 30. So here you can see it is giving the correct output. Let's see the next arithmetic operator in Python. That will be division. So division will denote by forward slash. So if I print a divided by b, it should give answer in some pointers. You can see 0.08. So this is the answer of 5 divided by 6. Let's move to the next operator. That is nothing but modulus operator. And this is gonna be denoted by percentage symbol. You have to write a mod b. This is how we will pronounce. So it should give the modulus. Modulus nothing but once we divide 5 by 6, what will be the remaining value? So that will be our modulus. So it should be 5 only because 5 is less than 6. And the last Python arithmetic operator we will be covering is exponential. This will be denoted by double star. So it will be like, let me take some small example. We'll see 2 raised to power 4. And once you give this operator here, exponential operator, it should print 16. Because 2 raised to 2 raised to 2 raised to 2, that will be 16. Because 2 raised to 2, 4, 4 raised to, yeah, so that's answer 16 here. So that's it all in this particular video. We have covered addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, modulus, and exponential operator. So that's it for this particular video. We'll meet in the next video.